how are we all doing today? If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube. If you are watching from Facebook, please like the page, follow me on this page, like the video, comment, share. If you have any contribution, please don't forget to put it through your comment section. It is very important. I have a video to share with us. This is in Delta State, Nigeria. The way Nigeria is being constructed, the way Nigeria is being formed is still, amazed to some of us, because there's no way Nigeria can go forward the way it's being restructured, the way everything is being made to be. Niger Delta and the Delta State and all these South people that have denied not to be Igbos, they deny not to be Biafrans, they deny they claim they have their own way of life and everything. But when some of them, when you check their name, their beer is Igbo names, they do everything that Igbo people does. I don't want to go deeper about the gullibility of some people there and how they believe that they can move forward in Nigeria. What are we watching here now is in Delta State, where block road because they want to say prayers, and this Keke driver, probably a Christian, was fuming, asked them, how can you block road because you want to pray? What kind of prayer is that? You need to make way. Maybe this young man have not been to North. Maybe he don't know much about Islam, the so-called religion of peace. We saw what happened in Israel, how they took their peace mission to Israel when Israel are supposed to have the day of their feast. They have a very iconic day for Israelites. They targeted Israel that day, took the evangelism to them, and we all know what happened, and the outcome is still ongoing. Now, this guy was here telling them, how can you block road, claiming that you are praying? You are disturbing my own business. How can I move my Keke to do my transportation business? Why must I wait until you finish your prayer before I start my business? So as he was asking them, someone, approached him and was telling him, it is just a few minutes, just wait, hang on. Just abandon your business for now, let them finish their prayer. Though even they have mosques, but they choose to be on the road, they don't care about what happened. And Christians don't know why Muslims choose to pray on the roadside. Only in Nigeria, only in Africa, in Asia and other parts of Muslim Arabic world, hardly will you see them block road like that, unless where there's a radicalism and people that do all this bomb mission and all that, suicide bombers and all that. Most of them can you can see this kind of prayer there. But here in Nigeria, in Delta State, in this video, you can see them sitting down on the road, block everywhere. Every business must stand still because they want to say their prayer. So if you ask questions, then you collect wotoo. This guy was there as he was still asking. Although the Muslim people there, they're supposed to be in mood of prayer. What do? They quickly abandoned the prayer, rushed the guy, hit him, destroyed his Keke. The guy couldn't believe what was happening to him. Even the people that was not even hearing what he was saying, immediately they saw that some of their brothers are fighting. They quickly put hands together and destroyed the guy's Keke and beat him up. This is what is happening in northern Nigeria. Now let us reverse this. Imagine Christian people are doing procession. They are doing procession in the north, carrying their cross, Bible, singing Hosanna, Hosanna. I'm just giving you an illustration, okay? So imagine in the north, or maybe in Kaduna or in Kanu or in Sokoto, in Zafara, all these far north, that Christians are doing this kind of thing. Maybe they block the business, they block the road, because of prayer. What do you think will happen to them? What do you think that they will do to the person? Delta State is not a Muslim country, a Muslim state. It's not a Muslim state, but they came here showing their dominance, proving to you that, look, we have what it takes. This is our nation. This belongs to us, which is the, teachings of Islam. That was why you see a Muslim people in Nigeria going to mosques, smiling and laughing, very happy. Once he's coming back from mosque, he will be very, very angry. I wonder what the imam they are preaching to them. What is the message they are passing to them that made them, once they are coming out from mosques, they will look so different from what they look before they go in. I don't know if you have noticed that. If you have been with northern people, if you have been in the northern Nigeria, you understand what I'm saying. When they are doing their masalachi, when you see them going happily, but immediately they are coming back, it is war. Sometimes they start fighting from the mosque, and you that doesn't even know the reason why they are fighting or anything about them, you have to run for your dear life. So watch this video, see what happened here. Just watch. So this is them. They are now. You can see how they have blocked the road. You can see how everywhere is looking. Now look at what will happen next. You see? You can see? You can see? Now this is the Keke guy. He says it's a mumu prayer. He said, calm down, how many minutes? He said a mumu prayer. Stop my So this is what happened to the guy. He collects wotoo in Delta State, yo. So you that are in the Enugu, in Abia, in Igbo, call Igbo State, okay, and you think that it's not going to happen. It will never. You will do this, you will do that. This is their mission. Once they trade this state now, they will approach Anambra. They will do the same thing. Imo State is in a playground because Hope must sign the contract indoor, giving them way to move ahead. So if not because Biafran people noticed it on time and started engaging them there from Imo State, that was why Imo State is in the war zone as we are speaking. That is why they keep on deploying military, to Imo State, fighting against indigenous people, raising their houses down, sending them out of their family, sending them out from their home, making them homeless because of the governor of Imo State. And the question is, why must Hope Uzodinma choose this way? The reason is because before they moved him from 4th position to 1st position, there was an agreement which he signed. As an Igbo man, we think that is a business, because for us, everything is a business. Just go there and do my bidding, and I will make you a governor. Do you agree or not? He said, yes, I agree. They signed the contract. That is why you see Hope Uzodinma today, dishing out order from his government house, buy these people, buy the other person, do this and do that. He's governor and nothing will happen because his masters are there doing giving him the power, the enforcement that he's using. But I thank God for Biafran Liberation Army, who is doing the needful at the moment. If not, it would have been a different story. Let's watch. They will do everything to make sure that they render that person useless. That's their common goal. I want to use this opportunity to inform us. We need to support what we have. We need to accept the fact that if not for Simon Ekpa, if not for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Igbo race would have been a forgotten story by now. It was in 2017, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was, prophesying what is happening today, telling us that, look, it is going to happen. Everybody said, no, it's not possible. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that Nigeria will be governed by Muslim. president a Muslim, vice a Muslim, they said no, 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 it's not possible. That this young man, this man is a problem maker. He's looking for problem. How can it be possible? Look at what this man is saying. No, it's not possible. He just want to trigger anger, causing problem. Nigeria is a peaceful people. Blah 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 blah. Today, what happened? As if that is not enough, P2B started. He want to be president. He want to do this. Every Igbo people that all these one Nigerian is that people that want to be a Nigerian by fire by force. Somebody like Charlie Boy and Co. They were doing campaign, calling agitators, calling different people that warmongers. You are this, you are that. You've not tested the war. You don't know what happened in 1967. You want to do it again. Who are you? What do you know? Blah 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 blah. Now what happened? We need to start telling ourselves the truth. It is only when you match them with what they have, then you can now sit on a round table and discuss how we way forward. Look at what is happening in Israel. So did the Israelites say, okay, let us wait and make peace. Let's negotiate. No, you don't negotiate with a terrorist. You don't do that. Is just the truth. It may be painful to you, but that is just the truth. I just want to share this with us because it is so annoying seeing our people behaving like morons. You do this, sit at home to show your grievances. People are working, doing everything possible to sabotage that. But the thing is that as Namidina ama ohu or na ama one yuko, we are all in the same boat. So whatever that happened, all of us are together in it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye bye for now.